Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Alhamdulillah, I am doing fine. This video is going to be another product review for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing this product. This is the Morningstar Farms Veggie Classic Parmesan garlic wings. As you can see, these products, they make a ton of these products. These products have no meat and they're 100% vegetarian. So they're solely made from veggies. These come in a ton of different flavors. I've seen these at ShopRite and at Walmart as well. So these are the Parmesan garlic wings, veggie classics. As you can see on the bottom, it says veggie wings with a zesty herb breading. So I've been eating these for lunch. This is the first time I'm going to try these products. So let's look at the back and see what the serving size is. Serving size is 5 wings for this. So these 5 wings are going to be my lunch. So let's open up the packaging and I will show you guys how you cook them. The best thing about the Morningstar packaging is that it is all resealable. So this is the best thing about the packaging, is that it is all resealable, which is great. Okay. So now, let's see if we can open up the bag. Probably need to cut off a little more. Yes. Okay. So this is what chicken nuggets look like. The smell is amazing. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your 5 wings, depending on the serving. Each of the servings is different. They also make these in patties as well. I haven't tried the patties yet. I wanted to try these for you guys. So basically what you do is you take them and you put them in the toaster. Ooh, they smell really good. Turn the toaster on. And you cook them. So you have to cook them twice because of the breading. So you really have to make sure you cook them twice. So I usually set my timer for my toaster timer for about 10 minutes. And that usually cooks them off perfectly. You can also make these in the microwave, which my microwave is over here. So, but the thing about the microwave is that they don't come out as crispy. They come out really crispy if you cook them in the toaster oven. So have a little chat while these are cooking. Okay. So I've been really into fitness these days. So I've been working out at the gym, and I've been, tracking my food. So the way I've been tracking my food is a free application called Lose It. Lose It. So there's a free application available on the Android and iOS store, and it's been really amazing. I can track whatever I eat. So I've been tracking whatever I eat. So based on your goals, Lose It helps and creates you a profile. And every time you lose weight, whether you lose weight, whatever I eat, I've been tracking it. So this has really helped me with accountability, helps me really think about the food choices that I'm eating. So Lose It, one of the best things about Lose It, and I know there's other applications out there such as MyFitnessPal and applications like that, but by far for me, Lose It is one of the best applications because it's a great application. So the reason why I like to use Lose It is because I am currently in an Apple Watch challenge. So I have an Apple Watch Series 4. So I am in an Apple Watch challenge, and that challenge allows you to, so the challenge has two parts. Part one of the challenge is where you try to close all three of your rings. So you try to close your move ring, your fitness ring, and your stand ring all in 1 month. So that's the first part of the Apple Watch challenge. Now for the Apple Watch challenge application, you are put on a team, and that team, you all just motivate each other, challenge each other, and you are able to send messages to your team members. So the challenge for the Apple Watch, I do a challenge every month with my Apple Watch. So the challenge with the Apple Watch is a great motivator. If anybody is looking for motivation, the Apple Watch challenges are amazing. Simply amazing. It really has pushed me. It pushes to your limits. It really has helped me really focus on my fitness goals and on my fitness, really think about my fitness goals and on my fitness. It really does help you out. Thank you guys so much for watching this review of the Morning Starters Parmesan chicken nuggets. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Bye, everybody. Peace.